All right, so we got the 87 4Runner up on the lift. We've pressure washed everything. Gonna show you kind of just how clean some of this stuff is here in the fenders. And the frame on this thing is pretty clean. You can see even right there, some raw metal. And it's actually really clean. And all the underside here, we're gonna start disassembling all this stuff. Get some of it powder coated, and then some of it will paint. But found all factory OEM shocks. Found a lot of the components we need. It's good to see just how clean this thing is underneath. It's just got like basic surface rust now that we've gotten rid of all of the undercoating that it had on it. And this is just from washing it, from it just being raw metal underneath. And pretty cool, like the transmission here, just how nice it is. You can see the surface rust starting here now from just pressure washing everything to get it super clean, but we're gonna disassemble everything, so it's really not gonna matter because we're going to go through everything. But just a great, solid vehicle to start with. Pulled the exhaust off already. And transfer case, super nice. And then even the gas tank here, I started cleaning it up, and that is raw metal. That is raw galvanized right there. And then look at the floor pans in this thing. Awesome. Just great truck to start with for sure. There isn't a bad spot in it. I did hit a little bit of spray paint there just to kind of see. But, and then even the drive shaft frame, it's starting to rust because we have cleaned it so well. And even the back corners of the fenders here. And then the undercoating from the factory there. So, thing's super clean. Love to find cars when they're in this kind of shape. Rear axle, obviously the U-bolt's pretty cool to see. Clean. Raw steel there. Hit some spray paint there, just seeing, and I decided, gonna pull that all apart, I guess. Look at the fender over there, awesome. Just so clean. So a little more, some markings here. There's another mark back here. Try to do that again. And then there's actually some part numbers on the rear leaf springs on this thing as well. So even underneath here, how clean it is. So we'll share some more with you as we continue to move along on this thing.